To getting cozy, to combat those wintertime blues. The holidays, they can be stressful, the days are short, which can bring you down, and that is where the Danish practice of Hygge can help. And ABC News medical contributor Dr. Darian Sutton is here to explain what it is, how it helps. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to see you. It's nice to be sitting here.
I already feel more comfortable.
A little bit, just
a little bit happier.
Okay, so a lot of people, their moods shift during the holidays and during the winter. But there's an important difference, right? Because you have wintertime blues and then what you call seasonal affective disorder. Those are two very different things, and it's important to know the difference, right?
Absolutely. During the wintertime, it unfortunately, as you said, can be the season of sadness. There's a lot more darkness. There's a lack of sunlight. Medically, that has been shown to be associated with a decrease of serotonin, which is that important neurochemical that helps us to manage our mood, and an increase of melatonin, which is probably the reason why we all feel fatigued. And that leads to those two outcomes that you discussed, one being wintertime blues and the other being seasonal affective disorder, or something that we call SAD. Just to help differentiate the two, wintertime blues is most often found in about 10 to 20% of Americans. It's associated with feelings of sadness, loneliness, but the key difference between this and seasonal affective disorder is that it does not interfere with your daily life. And usually it can be fixed with lifestyle changes such as Hygge, whereas seasonal affective disorder affects approximately 5% of the population and sometimes needs clinical intervention.
So Doc, if you think that you are affected by this seasonal affective disorder, you should definitely go see your doctor. But if it's a case of the wintertime blues, you say a little Hygge can help. What's this all about? What's Hygge?
So in essence, this tradition, this cultural phenomenon originates from Nordic countries, places like Denmark, that have some of the darkest months in the winter, but yet some of the highest metrics of happiness, probably for this and a multitude of other reasons. In essence, it's really just taking time away from your daily rush and focusing on yourself and things that you love, prioritizing togetherness, emphasizing slow living, making sure that you enjoy the quiet pleasures, and then embracing the change of seasons.
Okay, so what are some of the things we can do for Hygge? I mean, you have some props here for
some things that we've already done here. I have to say, first and foremost, the scent. You smell great. The scent here, the scent is really what you want to focus on. Lit candles, having a home-cooked meal. Sometimes that can trigger those olfactory or neurosensors in your brain, which can connect to happy moments. Warm blankets. During bad moods, we're often more sensitive to touch, so tactile stimulation can help us feel more comfortable.
Yeah, and then it's still real good right now.
And then a warm beverage. Warm beverage.
Oh, we got some
Absolutely.
hot chocolate.
I'm just going to keep listing things until you can't hold anymore.
Okay.
A warm beverage has actually been shown for people in bad moods to increase or improve positive interactions, and then of course warm light.
My mood just changed.
Some of us have been practicing Hygge for most of our lives, and many watching probably are saying, I've been doing that all along, but now you have a name for it.
Yeah, you sure do. Okay, so social connection, that's a big part of it, right?
Yeah.
So real quickly, if you've reached your limit now with social gatherings.
Yeah, so if you've reached your limit, remember that it's okay to step away. Many people think that you have to go, you have to participate. Yeah. You can take time to restore yourself. And if you need more assistance, there's other things you can do, like light therapy, vitamin D supplementation, and then, of course, reaching out to your primary provider if you need other.
Dr. Darian Sutton, always with the good advice. Thank you so much, my friend.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.